The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a remarkable addition to the world of foldable smartphones. With its unique flip design, impressive features, and innovative folding technology, this device stands out in a crowded market. In this review, we'll delve into the key features and functions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, compare it with other competing models, and highlight its positive aspects. Design and form factor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 boasts a foldable design that's both stylish and functional. When unfolded, it reveals a stunning 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with vibrant colors and sharp details. The device is available in an array of attractive colors, allowing users to express their style. Its compact form factor when folded makes it pocket-friendly and easy to carry. Innovative folding mechanism. The highlight of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is its folding mechanism. It employs Samsung's ultra-thin glass (UTG) technology, which provides a more durable and smooth folding experience compared to its predecessor. The hinge has been improved to offer flexibility and stability, allowing the device to stand upright at different angles, perfect for hands-free video calls and capturing photos. Display quality. The device features a Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a high refresh rate, resulting in stunning visuals and smooth scrolling. The foldable screen is HDR10+ certified, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. It's an ideal canvas for watching videos, browsing, or multitasking. Performance powerhouse. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is equipped with a powerful processor that ensures snappy performance, whether you're multitasking or gaming. The device handles demanding applications with ease, offering a seamless user experience. Camera capabilities. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 comes with a versatile camera setup. The dual rear cameras, including a wide and ultra-wide lens, deliver sharp and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. The device also features a front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The Flex mode allows you to use the device at different angles for photography, enhancing creativity. Software and user experience. Running on Samsung's One UI, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 provides a user-friendly interface with numerous customization options. The device is optimized for the foldable form factor, offering a unique user experience that takes advantage of the folding screen. Comparison with competing models. In the realm of foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 stands out for its flip design, innovative folding technology, and overall user experience. While other foldable models exist, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 offers a distinct form factor that sets it apart. Positive aspects. Stylish foldable design, a unique and stylish design that combines form and function. Impressive folding mechanism, enhanced hinge and ultra-thin glass for a smooth folding experience. Vibrant display, Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with high refresh rate for stunning visuals. Powerful performance, a robust processor that ensures seamless multitasking. Versatile camera, dual rear cameras and flex mode for creative photography. User-friendly software, Samsung's One UI for an intuitive and customizable user experience. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation and style in the world of smartphones. Its foldable design, impressive display, and powerful performance make it a compelling choice for those seeking a unique and cutting-edge device. While foldable smartphones continue to evolve, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 remains a standout option for users who value both form and function in their mobile devices. If you want a special offer for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, visit the link in the description.